Welcome to CSS Day 1 class. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to create a beautiful welcome card using CSS just like this. Let's get started. What is CSS? CSS, as you see here, is cascading style sheet. It's used to make a HTML website beautiful. We add CSS to change color or to give it different colors, font size, spacing, layout, animation, and make our website responsive. Let's get in. We see different ways to add CSS in our website. First, let's give it type paragraph tag, and we type hello. We come tag, starting tag, we type style, then we give it color, which is red. You can see here the color is red. You can try to add font to zoom it to be able to see the color we have given it to. This is what we call inline CSS. You can see that it is here inline. Let's see also what we call internal CSS. This is second way. What do we do? We just come here in the header and title tag, then we type style. Inside these tags is where we design our paragraph or our website using. Let's type P, which is presenting this paragraph. Then we type Brussels, we hit enter, then we just give it a color. Let's give it blue. You can see that it has changed internal CSS. Let's see the third way to add CSS. This is called external. We type link. When I hit enter, it's going to add this style sheet. Then here we type the CSS file name. What we do here, let's come here. We first create this. We call it style.css. Enter. Then I close this. Here I'm going to type paragraph. Since this is the one we're targeting there, then we open browsers, we say color, then red. If we come in CSS, in HTML, here on the ring, we're going to type the name of this, which is this one, of our CSS file. It's style.css. You can see that it has changed. What is this actually? This is CSS syntax, which is selector, then these are browsers. Then we type property, then we give it value, then we close with semicolon. This P paragraph, which is here in HTML, it is the one we call selector now here in CSS. Then this color, it is property. Then the color name, it is the value. That's it, how we make it. We can also give it, let's add other, give it a title. Let's use H1, and we say welcome to CSS. This is very big. I want to zoom it out a bit. Welcome to CSS. Then this is our paragraph. Let's just change this word to sentence. Say learning CSS. You can see this paragraph, because it's tagged, it is only here displaying the color that we have given it. So let's also come in CSS, we target this. It is better to type it according to how they flows. Let's type target H1, which is selector. Then we give it property, which is color. Then blue as value. You can see here the welcome CSS is blue, and here paragraph is red. We can also give it font size. When using this code editor, it can help you do it very quickly. This is also another property, font size, and we're going to give it font size, which is 40 pixels. You can see how to change it. Another thing is you can also give it different, which will be we shall be seeing in other or next class. Let's also add font size here. Let's say call it font size, then also give it this. This is it. So actually we have common CSS properties. The one we're going to see today, which are this this color, and we also have this, we call text color. Actually, this one color, the text color. Then we have also see another one, which is font size. Then let's see others we can give it to, like background. We can call it background like this. Let me just do this so that make it quicker. And let's give it like yellow. You can see here in our website, our page output is yellow. Then another thing, we can also make this paragraph to be in center. We type text, align this one, then you can just make it center. We can also move it to left or right. You can see it. Yes, that's it. So let's move to our last project to apply everything we have so far seen. We are going to give it H1 as header. Let's say maybe beautiful welcome card. We're going to use this card, you can see. But before, I just want to remove all this color in these two, so that we are going to make this thing very well. Then let's say div. We have seen div in our HTML tutorial. Then if you want to add a class, you can just use dot and type we type class name, which is card. We hit this, and inside here is so we're going to type in h2, and this is going to be welcome. Then we add paragraph. Then the paragraph, we're going to say learning CSS day 1. That's it. Let's activate this quick. How we're going to activate this? We are going to also to use external. First of all, I want to target our body because we want it to look like this. We go. We type body. Then in body, we give it font family, which is Arial. Let me just use this. It's also fine. This is font family. You can give it so they are more beautiful. Let's add background. Let's just use background color, and we use this color F0 F0 F0. After this is we centralize this beautiful welcome here in the body because it's not in our class, it's out of our class, which called div, card in div. Then we centralize it here. You can see is here, and it has also affected a bit because it's in body, but I can let me just wrap it off. Then I come in H1. I now first target our div in card CSS. We use dot, then we type name of our card, which is this one. Then we give it width of 300 pixels. To be able to see this, we can use background, which is going to be white. You can see here. After this, then we're also going to use padding. What is padding? Padding is going to create actually the space in the div, which is going to be this padding. Yes, you can see it's created the space up and bottom and both sides, but still in this width. Let's close it, and we add margin will be auto. It has pushed it in the middle on this way in this browser because it has to be in the middle using the size or the page space. Then let's move down. We centralize this by saying text align, use center. This was to be in center in this div. Then let's just remove these shaped corners. We design also change its design by saying border radius. Let's give it 10 pixels. After this, we're going to this H1. We change it to H2. H2, we are going to just give it a color of let's give it maybe blue or violet. This one, and the paragraph is also going to be maybe a color of maybe gray, which is also nice. Then we can come up here, also tag this H1, which is this one, welcome card. We say this color, we centralize it to put in the center, so like this. So guys, that's it. You can see how this is very the same as this, only yeah, it is the same. So thank you very much. See you in the next class. So consider subscription and like. You can even comment telling me how you see this. Thank you very much.